I want to show you the solution to the coyote engine tick. I know it's concerning a lot of people, so in this video you'll see how I fix my tick. Fuck me. I'm just changing the oil right now, and I just want to show you everything going on. I did do a do-it-yourself oil change before, but I don't really think it was that good of a video. I got a new camera now, new Canon G7X, so I got a tripod, so be a little more stable the video. And just going under the car now. I'm getting ready to change the oil. So let's see how this looks. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is there's a bunch of 7mm holding up the shield where the oil filter is. So I'm using an impact, just it's easier. It's only, they're not tight or anything. And I'll take that, get that out of the way. Here's a shield. Just put it off to the side. I put these oil mats down because I tend to make a mess. And if you could see, it's your oil filter right there. I have changed the oil before. I haven't changed it in 2,200 miles, so oh. So guys, that is Ford oil right here. Synthetic blend 5W30, 2,200 miles on it. Oh boy, that's filling up pretty quick. That is not good. Always double check to make sure the O-ring is good when you put the drain plug back in. I know UPR is selling I guess a billet one. I'm gonna actually have to buy it. The last time I seen the guys from UPR recently, a yellow bullet, I forgot to ask them. I should have bought it, knowing that I was gonna do an oil change. But since I race the car pretty often, I choose to change my oil like every 2,000, 2,500 miles. I think that's a good idea for guys that are racing it. The surprise in this video, you'll see it, is after I change the oil. I came up with a solution for one of the issues that is plaguing the entire coyote community, especially the 18 GT owners. You hear it every day. So I have a solution. It should be fixed. There's obviously no metal. I see no shavings in the oil. I'm gonna cut the oil filter open just to double check. I put the drain plug in and twist. And that's it for that. Brake cleaner, awesome. Should just press this brake clean, get all the oil away. I mean, I think anybody could do this at home. It's real simple. And at least you know what's going in. You know what's gonna go in your engine. You know the dealer ain't pulling nothing slick, putting only 8 quarts in. I highly suggest anybody taking a whack at this. It's really easy. Anybody could do it. Fuck me. Oh, that's no good. Hope this helps. That was just stupid. Ah! So always check to make sure the O-ring isn't there. What I like to do is, on the new filter, I like to take some of the oil, just put it around the O-ring. Just makes life easier when you go to take off the next one. Obviously I did that one by hand. It's pretty simple. Now I'm just gonna put that back up there, tighten it down. Oil is good. I tend to check it every couple hundred miles anyway. A lot of people I see complaining that they have a lot of oil consumption. Not with this car at all. Even the beating that I put on it, very little oil burnt. Maybe like a quarter of a quart between the two oil changes. That's 2,200 miles since I did my last oil change. So guys, see I'm sweating, but I hope you guys like the new camera. I figured it was time to get to upgrade a little bit, but I'm gonna go take it for a ride, just see and make sure everything's good. Pull it back in the driveway, make sure there's no leaks underneath. Just always like to double check, and then want to explain to you. I did some extensive research, and on that extensive research I came to the conclusion that high zinc and diesel oil is going to quiet down my motor. I just got so many goddamn critters in my engine block just making all this noise, and it's going to tick and attack. I don't know what's going on, but I got that solution, and I'm here today to share that solution with you. So what's up, guys? Just messing around a little bit, trying to loosen up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, did the oil change as you see in the beginning of the video. I switched over to Rotella T6 5W40. Let me tell you something. My engine tick is gone. It's pretty much non-existent. My motor actually got quieted down nice and nice. It's not as loud as it was before. I don't know if it's a mental thing, but the tick is obviously gone. Put a short clip in so you can hear what it sounds like. And I hope I could share this information with my fellow YouTubers or my fellow forum guys or anybody that's driving an S550 with a Coyote in it. It's my solution. It's what worked for me. It might not work for everybody, so you know, do it at your own risk. Gotta say that. You know, I'm on camera. Roush and Whipple have recently been telling their customers that they recommend to use 5W50 synthetic oil from MotorCraft in these goddamn engines. They say they need that thickness, that thick oil. So, instead of going and buying MotorCraft, because I think that oil is shitty, because clearly, ever since I've been changing the oil with MotorCraft, I've had this engine tick. So, I run the Rotella. I think the Rotella is very good oil. It's cheap, it's affordable, and you can run it in the gas or diesel. So, that's about it. Just change the oil. Remember, 10 quarts, guys. 10 quarts. In the Gen 3, 10 quarts. Don't forget that. A lot of people forget. It's real simple. Easy. Change the oil. See what happens. And I know I'm gonna get ripped. You know why? Because there's a lot of AMSOIL dealers. I think everybody sells AMSOIL. It's like a pyramid scheme or something. So I'm sure in the comments I'm gonna get torn apart saying, "Oh, you should use AMSOIL Signature Series, or AMSOIL Dominator brand." Well, guess what? AMSOIL could. I don't want to run it. I don't want to, you know, help you out on your pyramid scheme. I'm perfectly happy going to AutoZone or my local Walmart or Target or even Home Depot and Lowe's sells this oil. Yes, because it's for diesel trucks, but yes, it works in gas engines. Check the specifications yourself if you don't believe me. So, drop some comments. Let me know if this was helpful for you. I will update this periodically through my videos, so I'll give you updates. If this tick comes back, I will definitely let you know, because I don't want to look like a flapper, because I'm like so juiced up right now. I'm so happy that my engine stopped ticking. So I had to share with everybody. Hit that subscribe button. More videos to come. Hit that like button, and remember, tear me up in the comments. I enjoy it. I read all the comments. I always answer back, and I really do enjoy it. I'm almost to 1,000 subs. When I do reach 1,000 subs, I will be doing a giveaway. Once I hit that 1,000 subs, I will put up a video with the giveaway piece, and everybody that comments will be entered in to get the giveaway. And the giveaway is only for a 15 to 19 Mustang S550 chassis. So yes, it's the suspension part, or chassis part, whatever you want to call it. So thank you for watching. Peace.